Step closer, dear seeker, for today we open a jar filled with warmth, spice, and ancient enchantment. Imagine the curling aroma of cinnamon drifting through sacred halls and bustling markets of old, an incense of kings, a treasure of traders, and a gift from the divine. Cinnamon has long been cherished as more than a kitchen spice. It is a flame of the sun carried upon the wings of fire, igniting power, love, and spiritual vision wherever it is welcomed. To touch cinnamon is to touch a fragment of the world's oldest magic, one that blazes as brightly now as it did in temples and tombs thousands of years ago. Cinnamon's sacred reputation stretches across civilizations. The ancient Hebrews blended this oil into a holy anointing mixture, a substance believed to sanctify and elevate the spirit. In Rome, cinnamon leaves were woven into wreaths to crown temples, carrying the fiery blessing of the sun into sacred spaces. The Egyptians revered it so deeply that cinnamon oil accompanied the departed in mummification, guiding souls through realms unseen. In Magick, cinnamon is revered as both a direct power and a magnifier of other energies. When burned as incense, it radiates high spiritual vibrations, purifying spaces and summoning divine presence. It is a steadfast ally for healing, prosperity, and psychic awakening, drawing success and amplifying the effectiveness of rituals it accompanies. Cinnamon is often added to sachets or infusions for love, protection, and attraction. But perhaps its most unique gift is its amplifying quality. When blended with other herbs or spells, cinnamon acts as a spark to the flame, intensifying outcomes and accelerating results, much like fire breathes life into all it touches. To work with cinnamon is not only to invite its gifts, but also to supercharge the potency of all surrounding magic. And now, as we close our lesson, let the scent of cinnamon linger in your imagination. Sweet, warm, and sharp, like sunlight wrapped in flame. With this fire, it awakens a slumbering energy, chills the heart, calls forth love, and magnifies every spell it touches. Cinnamon whispers of passion and power, reminding us that sometimes the smallest spark can illuminate the grandest temple. May its ancient warmth ignite your path with brilliance and protection.